Good evening. Welcome back to another Market Watch report, and tonight I'm happy to report and review the sale of the very first listed 2015 Bi-secting die crack Lincoln Cent. This thing is easy to spot and change, no doubt about it. It's got a look all its own that just really goes to show a lot of us that the mint still uses some pretty beat up dies. Okay, this is a testament to the type of coins that can be found in circulation and could be subsequently sold for a nice chunk of money. So let's talk about this coin for a second. First of all, this is the original pictures right from the eBay listing. Okay, it's not graded. There's nothing certified about it. The coin is about as raw as you could get. Now, the coin exhibits what, a lot of us look for is a major die crack. This thing is so radical that you can actually see the zinc core popping through that crack. Okay, this is not a garage job. This is not a fake. This is the real deal. I've seen enough of these to know that this is a legitimate error, and they sell for a good deal of money. So how much did it sell for tonight on eBay? Well, it brought in $90.09. Not too shabby. Die cracks have always had an appeal with a lot of error collectors, both of the kind of like the armchair beginner type coin collectors and the more advanced folks that deal with errors. So it's no doubt about it, when one of this nature and this caliber comes through the auction block, it's gonna be noticed. All right, here's a few close-ups, by the way, of the coin in question that sold this evening. And this thing is pretty special. And, it's something that you guys are going to have to keep an eye out on, not only in Lincoln cents, but also nickels, dimes, quarters, half dollars. There are even some coins out there in like proof sets and, mint sets that have these major errors in them. So, be sure to keep your eyes open on these. Now, is $90.09 the ceiling for this type of coin? Well, one that's raw and uncertified, seems to be all the money. Okay, I thought it would end up somewhere in the $75 to $100 range. And you know what? Depending on how error collecting goes, which, by the way, right now it's a popular type of collecting niche within numismatics, this is something that could possibly grow in value over time. It's a coin that we generally don't think about ever existing till it pops up in change, and we're sitting there holding it and just kind of left wondering, what do I have? And now So I wanted to talk about this coin this evening. Again, it's a 2015 Philadelphia Lincoln Shield Cent with a major bisecting die crack that goes from one side of the rim to the other. It's 100% cracked all the way through, and this one indeed sold for $90.09. Nice, quick little flip, regardless, and congratulations to the seller for not only finding it, but bringing home nearly $100 for you to spend on your next endeavor. So I want to thank everyone for joining in this evening. By the way, if you enjoy the content this evening, go ahead and hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe to Blue Ridge Silverhound, where we talk about coins, currency, precious metals, and everything under the sun in numismatics. And as always, I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you again. Love all the support. Love you guys. And you guys have a wonderful evening, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.